Recipe for a happier work life. If you could ask every human being on Earth one question, what is the recipe for a happy work life? You would likely end up with an encyclopedia of vibrant ingredients. Some of them would sound familiar, like health, purpose, or love. Being happy is difficult but not impossible. We all have seen them. They are always cheerful, serene, and they hardly get upset, whatever happens. How do they do it? What are the characteristics that determine if someone will cruise through life happily and merrily or holding a grudge due to continued disappointments and misfortunes? Here are 3 ingredients for a happier work life. Ingredient number 1, camaraderie. Camaraderie is defined as mutual trust and friendship among people who spend a lot of time together. What is important in a working relationship is trust. You should have people whom you trust in the workplace, and they trust you as well. Sweet friendship of colleagues at work makes the work life happy and satisfying. Work may be hard, but if you have good friends who are with you, you can still work and have a smile on your heart. Ingredient number 2, communication. One sign of a good working relationship is an open communication at work. Did the information reach at the right time and at right way to the people that need to know it? Do people feel safe and empowered to give their feedback, comments and suggestions to their peers and superiors? According to Paul J. Meyer, author and founder of Success Motivation Institute, communication, the human connection, is the key to personal and career success. Ingredient number 3, conflict resolution. Whether you are working in a small or huge organization, you cannot take away conflicts at work. There are times that you experience friction because of differences in attitude, opinion, beliefs, and perspective. Because each member of your organization is unique and different from each other, conflict is really bound to arise. That is why it is important that we know how to manage and resolve conflict at work. The humility to accept that you are not always right is a huge, big step towards resolving conflicts at work. A humble person and someone who knows how to forgive and ask for forgiveness is an essential ingredient to a happy and pleasant workplace. 1 kilo of camaraderie, add 1 cup of communication and spread a spoon of conflict resolution. That's our recipe for a happier work life. In Galatians 5 verses 22 to 23, each ingredient is detailed to ensure an enjoyable life, which says, "The fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control." We hope that this recipe will help in your work today.